The stock market can be exhilarating. The potential for growth, the dream of financial freedom, it's all there. But for new investors, diving in without a map can lead to painful, costly mistakes. Before you buy your very first share, you need to know these 5 fundamental rules. Welcome back to Russell AI Investor. I see a lot of new investors jump into the market driven by hype or emotion only to get burned. Today we're giving you the essential roadmap, 5 unbreakable rules that will not only protect your capital but set you up for long-term success. Let's get started. This is the most important rule. Do not buy stocks until you have a fully funded emergency fund and have paid off all high-interest debt. Skipping this step is building your financial house on sand. Get your foundation right. This is a Warren Buffett classic. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Investing in what you understand allows you to make rational decisions, not emotional ones when the market gets volatile. This rule is about managing risk. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Diversification won't prevent losses, but it significantly reduces the impact of any single bad investment on your overall portfolio. Russell AI Investor. The market is a roller coaster in the short term, but a steady climb over the long term. Invest for the long haul, at least 5 to 10 years, preferably more. Russell AI Investor. Patience is one of the most powerful tools in an investor's arsenal. Finally, your best investments are always in yourself. Continuously educate yourself and stick to your plan. These 5 rules aren't glamorous, but they are the bedrock of successful investing. Master your personal finances, invest in what you know, diversify, think long-term, and never stop learning. Follow these and you'll be well on your way to building lasting wealth. If these rules resonated with you, hit that like button. What's the biggest mistake you've made as a new investor? Let us know in the comments. And of course, subscribe to Russell AI Investor for more essential insights to build your wealth the smart way.